Hey, what's going on, everyone? D-Man behind the camera. Came home, seen this big old package, and told myself, man, I didn't order that. So I came over all the way from upstate Massachusetts, Mo Mellow Leather. So I did order something from him, but it doesn't seem to be what it's supposed to be. Shout out to the DMK USA Bushmaster knife. Holy shit. Let's see. I only ordered 4 of them, but he gave me a whole shitload of them. Oh yeah, check that out, guys. That's proper. Another one, and then another one is going to go with that one, another one's going to go with that one, and he gave me some freebies. Thanks a lot, Mo. Really appreciate it. Good looking out. Pardon me, guys. I had to clear my throat. Anyways, guys, gals, what I'm doing with this, I'm making 2 strops. Looks like maybe I'll make a third. Or maybe, I don't know, the third one I'll keep for myself. Make another one. There's a 4th. Looking real good. Again, thanks a lot, Mo. Really appreciate it. Check that out, huh? Love that leather. Alright. Time to build another strop just like this. Got some oak. I'm just going to trace, because I already built this before. It's my design. Alright, just finished them up. This one's oak. A few of them have a stain. I got a little bit of the Gorilla Glue on it. Try to scrape it out, but I don't want to damage it, but yeah, it is what it is. Still wouldn't work. This one here is poplar wood. Yeah, I think I said it right. Another oak handled one. This one has the most, you can see it right here. It's a Gorilla Glue stain. I gotta find a better way next time. Here's that little one that Mo sent me. What I did was I put the same side on both sides. Put a lanyard, red, white, and blue. Not too bad. If anyone's interested in any of these, you can head over to my Instagram. Check that out over there. Hit me up there. Definitely a fun little project. Thanks for coming in, checking out this video. You guys and gals have a good one. Cheers.